Okada Manila operator drops Dennis Oy's Emerald Bay project. Third time's no charm. Bigo ang PH Resorts ni Dennis Oy na ibenta ang majority stake sa kanilang $300 million Emerald Bay project. Matapos i-terminate ng Okada Manila operator, Tiger Resort Leisure and Entertainment ang nauna nilang deal. Ang Emerald Bay project sa Cebu ay in-envision para maging premier integrated resort casino sa Visayas, with 5 villas offering 146 gaming tables and over 1,400 electronic gaming machines and hotel rooms combined. Pero hanggang ngayon, the project remains unfunded and unfinished. Pangatlong company na ang Tiger Resorts na nag-back out sa project na to, kasunod ng Bloomberry Resorts ni Enrique Razon at ng Cebu-based developer Apple One na parehas nag-withdraw matapos ang kanilang due diligence reviews. Hindi din disclosed ng PH Resorts ang dahilan sa pag-back out ng mga kumpanyang ito. Hindi naman naging positive ang reaction ng investors matapos mag-crash ang PH Resorts share price by 19.44% from 0.72 pesos per share to 0.58 pesos per share.